Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some breaking news in the automotive industry that's causing quite a stir. Hertz, the renowned car rental company, known for its recent push into the electric vehicle market, is making a surprising move. They've decided to sell off a significant portion of their electric fleet, around 20,000 electric vehicles, and in an unexpected twist, replace them with gasoline-powered cars. In this video, we'll delve deep into the reasons behind this decision, the impact on Hertz's financials, and the broader implications for the electric vehicle market. To kick things off, let's explore why Hertz, a company that had been actively expanding its electric vehicle fleet, is now scaling back. According to Hertz CEO Stephen Scher, electric vehicles have proven to be a financial challenge for the company. Despite lower maintenance costs, the higher expenses related to damage repairs and depreciation have taken a toll on their bottom line. Scher highlighted in a recent analyst call that collision and damage repairs on electric vehicles can be approximately twice as expensive as those on comparable combustion engine vehicles. Moreover, the decline in electric vehicle prices, particularly driven by Tesla, has lowered the fair market value of Hertz's used electric cars, resulting in significant depreciation costs. Now let's address the elephant in the room: Tesla. Hertz points to Tesla as a significant factor in their financial challenges, as Tesla vehicles make up about 80% of Hertz's electric fleet. Tesla's aggressive price cuts have triggered a domino effect, leading to lower values for electric vehicles in the used car market and causing Hertz's depreciation losses to mount. Hertz anticipates a substantial loss of approximately $245 million due to the depreciation of their electric vehicles. The specific challenges with Tesla, such as a less mature aftermarket parts supply network and a higher frequency of crashes, have further complicated matters for Hertz. Now, let's delve into Hertz's strategy moving forward. The company plans to sell its used electric vehicles at auctions and through its Hertz car sales website. However, the expected losses are significant, with an average depreciation cost of about $12,250 per vehicle. Hertz executives are actively engaged with Tesla to address performance issues, lower the risk of damage, and streamline parts procurement and labor processes. Shifting gears, let's pivot to a broader discussion about electric vehicles and the challenges they face in the market. One significant obstacle is range anxiety, the concern about the distance electric vehicles can travel on a single charge. At the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, some auto companies are exploring innovative solutions to overcome this challenge, with a particular focus on lightweighting technology. Andrew Poliak, US Chief Technology Officer of Panasonic Automotive, explains that reducing the weight of components, such as speakers and audio systems, can significantly improve an electric vehicle's range. Panasonic's lightweighting technology not only reduces weight, but also draws less power from the car without compromising performance. Moving forward into the realm of innovation, let's delve into the unique solutions offered by Panasonic and Honda to alleviate the challenges faced by electric vehicles. Panasonic's lightweighting concept is a game changer, with its potential being showcased in vehicles like the Fisker Ocean One all-electric SUV and the Infiniti QX80. It allows for a significant reduction in component weight without compromising on performance, and also draws less power from the car, effectively improving the vehicle's range. On the other hand, Honda is making strides with their investment in solid-state batteries. These batteries are smaller, lighter, and are less susceptible to heat-related damage from fast charging. Chris Martin, a spokesperson for Honda, emphasizes the benefits of not having to worry about battery overheating. This approach not only alleviates the range anxiety, but also opens up possibilities for further weight reductions in electric vehicles. These innovative solutions are a testament to how manufacturers are thinking outside the box to overcome the challenges faced by electric vehicles in the market. As we wrap up our deep dive into the world of electric vehicles, we can't help but to cast our gaze into the future. It's clear that 2023 was a challenging year for EVs, with hurdles like range anxiety and high manufacturing costs posing significant obstacles. However, innovative solutions like Panasonic's lightweighting technology and Honda's investment in solid-state batteries are starting to turn the tide. These advancements have the potential to not only alleviate range anxiety, but also significantly reduce the manufacturing costs of EVs. This could make electric vehicles far more accessible and appealing to consumers worldwide. But the question still remains: will consumers be ready to embrace these lighter, more efficient electric cars and overcome their concerns about range? This is a crucial aspect that will shape the trajectory of the electric vehicle industry in the coming years. As we move forward, we'll be keeping a close eye on these developments and how they'll impact the overall market dynamics. So, stay tuned as we continue to explore the exciting world of electric vehicles. Let's now discuss the role of government policies in promoting EV adoption. Government incentives and subsidies can significantly encourage consumers to shift towards electric vehicles. For instance, tax credits, rebates, and even exemptions from certain fees can make EVs more affordable and appealing to the average consumer. Take Norway as a case study. The country has become the world leader in EV adoption, with electric cars making up more than half of all new car sales. This is largely due to Norway's comprehensive government policies, which include generous subsidies, tax breaks, and perks like free parking and charging stations. But it isn't just about making EVs more affordable. Governments also need to invest in EV infrastructure like charging stations to make owning an electric car more convenient. As we've seen with the challenges faced by electric vehicles, range anxiety is a significant barrier to adoption. Government support in developing charging infrastructure can help alleviate this concern. As we can see, supportive government policies play a crucial role in accelerating the transition to electric vehicles. They can not only make EVs more affordable, but also address some of the key challenges that have been hindering their adoption. The future of electric vehicles, therefore, isn't just about technological innovation, it's also about policy innovation. And that's something we'll all need to keep an eye on as we continue to explore the electrifying world of EVs. Now, let's delve into the environmental impact of electric vehicles. One of the main benefits of EVs is their potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Unlike gasoline-powered cars, electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, which can help mitigate the effects of climate change. However, it's important to note that the environmental impact of EVs isn't just about the emissions, or lack thereof, from the vehicles themselves. The source of the electricity used to charge the vehicles also matters. If the electricity comes from renewable sources like wind or solar, the environmental benefits of electric vehicles are maximized. But if the electricity comes from fossil fuels, the benefits are significantly reduced. Therefore, the transition to renewable energy is a critical component of the EV revolution. Lastly, we need to consider the challenges in recycling electric vehicle batteries. While efforts are being made to improve battery recycling processes, it remains a significant environmental issue. However, companies like Tesla are making strides in developing more efficient and environmentally friendly battery recycling methods. While electric vehicles offer significant environmental benefits, it's crucial to address the challenges in battery recycling to ensure their sustainability. The journey to a greener future is not without its hurdles, but with continued innovation and responsible practices, we can make the most of the electric vehicle revolution. As we wrap up today's deep dive into the world of electric vehicles, it's clear that this is a rapidly evolving field with both challenges and opportunities. While electric vehicles offer significant environmental benefits, we must not overlook the critical issues such as battery recycling and the need for renewable energy sources. But with continuous innovation and responsible practices, we can make the most of the electric vehicle revolution. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. We hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. We aim to keep you updated with the latest trends, news, and developments in various fields. We hope to see you in our next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.